Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video and being
Here with Hill.
That's me, Hillary, and today I am so excited. I just got home from work and today I got a notification that this arrived. I am so excited for my Jeffree Star Holiday 2019 mystery box and to see what's inside it because I'm so excited. I have only gotten one thing from Jeffree Star before, and it was the conspiracy palette that he did with Shane. So I'm really excited because I wanted to get so many things for the Black Friday sale, but I wanted this. And honestly, it was because I had a fear of missing out. So I'm so excited. So let's get to it. I just got home from work, so I literally fed the dogs and that was it. And then I was like, all right, we're opening. So I haven't even opened it. So I'm opening it right now. I think I know some things that are inside. I might as well talk about it now while I'm unboxing this, is the stickers. I personally don't like stickers. All of my friends are obsessed with stickers and they literally buy stickers all the time. And I don't get the point of it. I'm an adult. I thought they were for children, but some of them are really cute. So I actually like these stickers and I wouldn't go out of my way to buy them necessarily, but I'm kind of excited for them. I'm kind of sad that they didn't come in different sheets because I actually can gift them to all my sticking loving friends for some reason. So, but I guess I'll just cut them individually and be like, here. So I'm not too hurt about them. I don't really care. So I got what I wanted, and unfortunately a lot of people didn't. So I'm just grateful that I got this box. So let's go. Oh, okay. So to be honest, I really wanted the deluxe because I wanted a tracksuit. So, because I saw that he put them in the October Halloween boxes. So I was like, okay, maybe he'll do it again. They would be so cute. But they actually got one of these sweatshirts, his 5-year anniversary ones. I am so excited. The one thing I'm nervous about is, like I said, I wanted it to be a tracksuit, so I put a small because I saw another video where they run a little bit big, so I wanted to make sure that I would get the size. But I got the sweatshirt, so I'm hoping it fits because it's a small and I don't want it to be too snug. So, you know I'm already opening it. I can't even resist. I've been waiting all day for this, all day. So, I heard the quality in these are amazing, and just by feeling it, it is. And I'm not sad I got the small. I'm so excited. Oh, I don't want to put it on. It's perfect because I just don't want to ruin it. Oh, I love it. So actually, I'm kind of happy I got the sweatshirt, not a tracksuit sent to me because I will wear this all the time. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Ready? Ooh, I love that peel when you open a sweatshirt and you can oh, it's so fresh and oh, it's so soft. Okay, here it is. First item. Okay, it fits great. I like that it's a little longer so you can snug. Oh, you should see it looks great with the outfit. Should have worn it all day. So super comfy, super good quality. First product, definitely a win. And I really like these. I'm so excited. I can be I have this. So cute. Sleeve. I love it. Okay, so first item. There should be, I think, 8 items in this. Let's go to item number 2. I already I see it wrapped. I've honestly watched spoilers. I am a person who can't wait. I think this is definitely, this is the peppermint palette, I think. What he was talking about, the pro palette. What I wish he did was, so I get a lot of subscription boxes. What I wish he did in the mystery boxes was he had a little card maybe of every item in your box and detailing it. So that would be cool. So, hey, Jeffree Star, you should add that. Other than that, keep what you're doing. It is. Oh. Okay, I'm so excited. I'm gonna open it right now. I am so excited. So a lot of people are upset that he's not selling this, I guess. It was only coming in this box. Obviously, I'm excited because I'm one of the few that have it. But maybe like he could add this to next year's holiday collection or something. I don't think it should necessarily like honestly automatically just be for sale. What I am noticing right away is I just swoop all this dust off, and it was packaged really well, so I'm really hoping that was just, I'm really hoping this isn't broken. It is. I can't believe it's broken. Look, I don't even want to like put it upside down, but I'm really upset. But you know what? I guarantee you I'll just message his customer support and I'll get a new one. I think he's really good with customer service and like everything. So we all have proof. I just opened the box and my palette was broken. So I'm really upset about that. But other than that, like I've seen them online, they're really pretty, but my ugly sweater shade is broken. I hope not anything else is broken. Oh my gosh. It does smell like peppermint though. I don't want to touch any of it because obviously I'm hoping to get another one. But honestly, like one of my friends are going to be really happy if I can keep this one and I get a new fresh one, because they will take the broken shade and keep the others, because this is a really cool palette to have. So, but I really want one that's not broken. So let's just move on. I'm going to put it back in and package it all up nice though, so nothing else bad happens to it. Oh, I'm really sad. He packaged this really good too. Like the sweatshirt was on top and that was pretty good, like stuffing. And this was wrapped, this palette was wrapped, and it was in this package, and then it was wrapped in bubble wrap and tissue paper. So I don't know what happened there, but I hope I don't have an issue. We'll just get a new one. All right. So next is, see, more tissue paper. They really were trying to keep these items secure. So let's go up to the Supreme Frost. Okay. So I think everyone has basically gotten the Supreme Frost in Candy Apple Drip. I kind of knew I was going to get this, but I'm kind of upset because I don't really know how to wear a green highlighter, I guess. I can't complain because it's my first one. So I'm really excited about this, but I'm really kind of upset that it's green. But it's really pretty. Oh my. Oh, I love this. Okay. This is really pretty in this like compact, like just the detail. And this online, ooh, okay, I'm gonna swatch it. The reflect in this, is just like, I really wanna see the reflect in this. But the value in this is, what was it? Skin 29, this is Supreme. So the Supreme Frost is $32. And ooh, okay, this is pretty, but I think I would wear it as an eyeshadow. I don't know. Someone give me a tip, comment below. How do you wear green highlighter? What can I do? Because it's really soft. It's really pretty and sparkly. Like, I'm not even really in beauty lights. It's pretty. Okay. And it's not broken, so perfect condition. And this wasn't wrapped in anything extra, so that's just so weird to me. So, should I smell it? Yeah, no, but I was kind of hoping. Because the peppermint one smelled like peppermint, so put this back in the packaging. Oh, nice. That was so soft. That's just so pretty. Okay, so that. And then we have, let's see, we have are these the liquid lips? Are these 2 liquid lips? Where does it say? Velour liquid lipstick. Velour liquid lipstick. Okay, so I got 2. I got in First Class and Soft Serve. I really wanted the Soft Serve one. I'm so excited. This is like such a pretty pinkish shade. Obviously, I'm gonna have to wait till the spring to use it, but it's such a pretty shade, right? Probably you've seen this swatch before. Oh, I've never had his lipsticks. Oh, the formula. Okay, so you can see it. Don't regard this swatch up here. I got some makeup from ColourPop for Christmas presents today, and I wanted to see what they look like. So yeah, but this is really pretty. I love this. I'm excited to try that on. Okay, and let's try, what is this other shade? First Class. And I believe these both retail at $18, so this is so weird. Okay, there is a random, what are these little things in my box. And one of these packages was kind of open, but I'm not complaining, I'm just noticing. And then this one, which is really gold, which, okay, I told my friends, I was like, I'll probably gift you 1 or 2 items in my box. I love everything in here, so sorry. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, I am about to go crazy and buy so many of these liquid lips because they're so pretty. That's crazy. That's crazy. Okay, so I am really happy because I was debating, should I get the mystery box? I really wanted the blood sugar palette, but I wanted the box. So I calculated out a little bit, and I think I was like, okay, I'll take my chances. So I think my chances, I don't know, I think I'm pretty happy with the mystery box. All right, and this is the palette. I don't know if you guys have seen other videos, but I'm pretty sure it's the Thirsty palette. So I'm really excited about this because I think this was his limited edition for summer or something. You can't even get it on the site anymore, so I'm really excited. I did look it up though before because I kind of suspected I was gonna get it. And I found it on Beautylish for, what is this, $48. So like just this palette and this sweatshirt alone is basically what the box is worth or cost. So I'm pretty excited with any other bonuses. But I'm so excited for this palette because I only have his Conspiracy one and I'm in love with his shadows. So I'm really excited to play around with these colors and these shimmers. Oh, metallics, what are they? Pressed pigment. I don't know, his detail and everything is, and I don't know if you guys can see, but these pan sizes are huge. Before I got my palette in person, my Conspiracy palette, I really didn't think they were this big. And then I opened it and I was like, that was the first thing I noticed was how big these pan sizes are. So if you see the size of my thumb, I don't know if you can compare that. That is big. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh, this yellow. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm gonna try a clean finger. I wanna try this color Quench really bad. I've been obsessed with yellows lately and the food videos. So pretty in the Conspiracy, and oh my gosh, Quench is so pretty too. Like that was one swatch of a yellow. I'm not in Beauty Lights, like that's nice. And I mean, I know swatches come out differently when you swatch them and then when you apply them with a brush, but let's be honest, we all know Jeffree Star's eyeshadows are pretty bomb. I also just want to try, I want to try them all. I want to try Snatched for sure. Okay, and Punch. So. Okay. They're like perfect. Like, I'm not a professional or anything, and like I just slid these on and they just came perfect. I don't know why I did in the inside of my arm, but yeah. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. I ran out of fingers on this side. I want to swatch it all. Okay, I know this like palette is a couple years old, but I still may just do an eyeshadow look video with this because these are so pretty. Oh, oof. Ooh, I love the color B. Yeah, that one. Oh, look at it. It's just... Okay, Jeffree Star, your boxes. I was like debating. Actually, no, I wasn't debating. I know a lot of people have hate on his like boxes and everything, but I'm excited, and I'm excited to try to get every other big box that he comes out with. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited. Like, Jeffree Star, please come out with so many more products. I would love to see, like, I want him to do a bronzer, like, line, and I want him to just reuse his shadows that he's used. Like, Tanacon bronzer, for sure. There was another one. Was it in the Thirsty palette that people have been talking about? I mean, you could use Parched even, like, as just, like, a powder. And Subtle as a bronzer. So, like, I think he doesn't even need much work. He just needs to put them in bigger pans and call them bronzer, because those shades are already perfection for bronzer, contour, whatever. Love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. So excited. So then we just have left the stickers, which I've already talked about. And so I'll just show you guys. So I'm really, okay, so I do like these stickers, but some of these stickers just scream like Bree, which is funny because I have like 2 best friends that are named Bree. So this one screams one Bree, and then this one and this one both scream the other Bree. I'm not showing you because I'm going to give them to them and I don't want them to see. But oh my gosh, you guys are going to be excited. I'm going to send you like little cutouts of the stickers because they're cute and I know you guys would love them. But I'm definitely keeping some of them. Like, okay, no hate towards the stickers, but definitely, I don't know. I like the stickers. All right, we're moving on. And then this, this straw. So I'm guessing that little pink thing I found earlier just came off this, but that's really weird. Like it was like pulled. But anyways, this straw, which I'm really excited about because it's the limited edition, says Jeffree Star on the side. So I don't have any reusable straws, so I'm pretty excited about this. And I'm really happy there's a cleaning thing because that's honestly what turns me off from reusable straws. Like I'm really weird about like cups and straws and like, I don't know, silverware and stuff because, I don't know, I must have had a traumatic experience when I was a child because I'm just really weird about that stuff. I like bottled water and I know it's not as good and everything, but I'm excited for this. Hopefully it'll make me use reusable water bottles and a little bit more and not being as weirded out by that. This one is, does it say? No, but I have a tape measure right here. Okay, I have my handy dandy keychain measuring tape. So this one is like 10.5 inches. I don't know. So I don't know, $7 because it's a limited edition, I would guess, and it doesn't have the bendy thing. So I'm excited about this. I was thinking about gifting this to a friend, but I think she'd be more happy if I tried to use a reusable straw. So we have item 1, 2, 3, the tulips. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The stickers, 6. The Supreme Frost, 7. And my dog, which she's being so good. And my broken pad, which I'm really actually upset about this, so I really can't wait to have one that's not broken. So thanks guys for watching this. If you guys like this video, please like the little like down below and hit subscribe to see more funny videos, random videos from me, maybe doing my makeup. Me and my friend are actually going out this weekend to see a band and artist DJ. So we're gonna record that and show you guys the night and everything. So I think that'll be fun. So yeah, so if you wanna do that, subscribe if you wanna watch those future videos, and be sure to ring that bell so you are notified when they come out. Thanks, and thanks for being here with Hill.